Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to talk to you about 5 things that might be causing your smartwatch to not connect to your phone. This is a very common issue, but in most cases, it's easy to fix. This tutorial will help no matter what app your smartwatch uses, because the process is very similar for all of them. 1. First, I recommend checking if you're using the correct app for your smartwatch. If you're not sure which one it is, look for an icon on your smartwatch that says QR code. It might be inside the settings or as a separate icon. Once you find it, use a QR scanner on your phone to scan the code and download the correct app. 2. After installing the app, press and hold the app icon and select App Info. Then go to Permissions and make sure location is turned on. This allows the phone to find and connect to the smartwatch. You can also enable storage if you want to add photos from your phone to your smartwatch. Also, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. 3. Now open the app and look for an option like Search Device, Bind Device, or something similar. Try connecting your smartwatch. If it doesn't show up in the list, reset your smartwatch to factory settings. You can usually find this option in the Settings menu or by looking for icons like Reset or Factory Restore. 4. Once your watch is connected, look for the option called Message Push. Go in and enable the apps you want to receive notifications from on your smartwatch. Sometimes a pop-up window will appear asking you to enable notification access. Be sure to allow it. In my case, I activate HiWatch Pro because that's the app my watch uses. But your app might be different, so just enable the one that works for your device. Then go back to the app and re-enable the apps you need. 5. If your smartwatch still won't connect, make sure the app is up to date. Go to your app store, search for the app, and see if it says Update instead of Open. If so, update it. If this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.